Hi everyone! Want to earn money by just sharing your SHEIN finds? Here's how to join the SHEIN Influencer and Affiliate Program. Let's jump right in. First, open any web browser like Chrome or Safari and search for the SHEIN Affiliate Program Sign Up. Then tap on the first link that leads to the SHEIN official affiliate page. Wait for it to fully load. Then scroll down to the bottom left of the page and click sign up. Now just log into your SHEIN account. You can choose to continue with Google or your email. Then tap accept and tick that checkbox and confirm your eligibility by selecting an account. And that's it. You're now part of the SHEIN Affiliate program and ready to start earning with your referral links and contents. Found this helpful? Please give a thumbs up, subscribe, and comment below if you're joining a SHEIN Affiliate fam today. Thanks for watching.